Is your Canon printer refusing to print in color? Don't worry. This is a common issue that's usually caused by clogged printhead, outdated firmware, or an old printer driver. In this video, I'll show you 3 effective methods to get your Canon printer printing in color again. We'll start the cleaning the printhead, then move to updating your firmware, and finally update your printer driver if needed. If you need extra help, just call the numbers on the screen. Let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Clean printhead. First, you need to gather a few supplies. You'll need a lint-free cloth, a small plastic container, a syringe with a tube, some warm water, and isopropyl alcohol. With your printer turned on, lift up the scanner unit so you can get the printhead area. Now, wait for the printhead holder to stop moving. Once it stops, gently slide it towards the middle. After that, go to the back of the printer and unplug the power cord to ensure your safety while working. Go back to the printhead area, then push up the little button with the arrow to open the printhead cover. Once you've opened the top cover, carefully take out the color printhead. If you'd like, you can also remove the black one to clean that too. Take your syringe and fill it with warm water and isopropyl alcohol mixture. Pick the color printhead, attach the tube to its nozzle, and slowly flush the cleaning solution through it. Repeat this for each nozzle until they are all clean. Keep the printhead in a plastic box so any solution or ink won't spill on your desk. When you're done, dry the printheads using a dry, lint-free cloth. Once it's dry, place the printhead back into the slot carefully. Close the printhead top cover. At last, lower the scanner unit and try printing in color again. If cleaning the printhead didn't work, the next thing you want to try is updating your printer's firmware, which often fixes color printing issues. Method 2. Update firmware. Head over to your printer's control panel and make sure it's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Press the setup button on your printer. Now, scroll to device settings and open it. Once again to select firmware update and open it. After that, select install update. Give the printer a moment to communicate with the server. When the display says the latest printer version is on the server, go ahead and press OK. The printer will now display the latest firmware version, then press OK to install it. When the printer asks if you really want to install the update, select Yes to confirm. Take a quick look on the on-screen cautions, then press OK to start the update. Now, sit tight while your printer downloads the latest firmware. Just give it a moment to complete the download. After the download, the firmware update will begin automatically. Once the printer says update succeeded, just press OK and try printing again in color. If your Canon printer is still not printing color after cleaning the printhead and updating firmware, let's update your printer driver via your computer. Method 3. Update printer driver. Go over to your computer and press the Windows plus R key to open the Run dialog box. Once the dialog box appears, type devmgmt.msc and press Enter to open Device Manager. Now, click on Print Queues or Printers and find your Canon printer in the list. Right-click on your printer and select Update Driver from the menu. Click on the Search Automatically for Drivers option. Windows will now search online for the latest driver version for your printer. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.